Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use the domain lookup in cPanel to find your DNS. So let's get right into it. Now, this is really simple, and I'll be using this guide to explain how to do it because I don't have access to cPanel site. So yeah, let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do to find your DNS, you need to, of course, log into your account, then go into Advanced, and click on Track DNS. Now, to look up your DNS records for your domain, you just need to enter your domain that you want to look up the DNS records for. Click Look Up, and that's going to show you something like this, which will show you the address, which is handled by what, and of course the zone information as well. It'll show you the mail server and the IP address, and that is pretty much it. Now, additionally, what you can do to locate your names or your DNS is, of course, you can trace them, and you can use the trace route functionality, which of course is for any server within your location. Just click trace, and this function, as you can see, allows you to trace the route from the computer you are accessing cPanel from to servers your data must pass through to get to your site, and you can very easily trace them by just using that button. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Now, again, I am sorry that I couldn't show you guys how to do it manually, since of course I don't have the site. However, if you want, WHUK is the site, or Web Hosting UK is the site where this guide is set up, so you can freely check it out if you have any other questions. However, the process is very simple and very short, so I hope it was enough, and I hope it helped you guys, and I'll be seeing you in another video.